as well. So I'll go there, I'll set a keyframe on the arrow head, I'll go forward and I'll change the color to our main yellow color. Okay, so it will look like this. Here you can see. And if you want, you can select black circle scale property, just select that and easy ease those. Okay, looks nice. Select these two keyframes as well. Here you can see, looks nice. After that, I'm going to select all of the 4 layers. I'll press Ctrl X and I'll go to main composition and paste it over here. Okay, and position this one here, so it will animate like this. Okay, looks good. And after that, let's animate the yellow circle a little bit. So I'll press Alt Shift P again, drag this over here, just a touch. If you want, you can animate the opacity as well and change this to 0. Now let's ramp preview it. Looks good, right? And after that, when it completes the animation just like this, we have to animate this one as well. So I'll go to screen, I'll add a trim path and I'll select the trim path. I'll set a keyframe on the end position and go to 10 frames forward, change the ending to 0 and change the offset value somewhat like 60 degree, so it will animate like this. Okay, nice. Select these two keyframes and easy ease those, just like this. Nice. Now let's see how it is looking over here. Now after that, select your scene 2 and select these two keyframes, Ctrl C, paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V, right click, go to keyframe assistant, time reverse keyframe. Okay, looking good, right? After that, let's build the arrow animation. So I'll select these two, press Ctrl C to copy them, press Ctrl N to create a new sequence, name it as arrow button and hit OK. After that, press Ctrl V to paste them over here. I'll select these two, I'll press Ctrl D to duplicate them, drag it like this or behind them, and now change the color to our main yellow color, copy. Okay, and now select these two, press S and drag it like this. So it's going to be our arrow. Now drag the arrow button over here, just like this. Press R to rotate it like this. Press Alt Shift P to set a keyframe on the position and go to a few frames forward and drag it like this. If you want, you can set the scale a little bit down, just like this. Now press U, select these two keyframes and easy ease. And if you want, you can modify the path a little bit. Okay, and after that, what I'll do, I'll press Alt Shift and S to set a keyframe on the scale. I'll go 10 frames forward and make this one as 45. Go 10 frames forward and make this one 60 again, so it will look like a click. And around 3 seconds, I'm going to place our third scene, so let's build that as well. Scene 03, hit OK. Now for the text animation, I'm going to use the typewriter effect. Press U and drag this keyframe over here, so it will animate like this. And after that, select the shape layer, select the pan behind tool, drag the keyframe around this corner and press Alt Shift R. Again, set a keyframe, drag this keyframe 10 frames forward. Now change the rotation to something like this. Okay, and set a keyframe on the opacity as well, make it 0. Okay, now select these two keyframes, go to your graph editor. Let's go to the value graph and select the rotation. Now drag it like this, so it will animate like this. Okay, looks good. So now go to our main composition and drag in the scene 3. Set the in position to around 3 seconds. Now let's see. Okay, so we have to crop all of the layers at this position. Okay, and now I'm going to create a new null object, name this as control, and now select all of the layers and parent all of them with our control layer. Now position the control layer in the center. I guess now it is in the center. Looks nice. Yes. Now let's ramp preview it and let's see how it is looking. Alright, it's looking very nice. So in this way we can make some cool looking logo animation using some simple tricks and techniques. Alright, so that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep